The buzz continues today about Supreme Court nominee Neal Gorsuch. Many in Colorado legal circles know him, and then there are Colorado lawmakers having to pick sides considering party loyalty and taking into account that Gorsuch is from their home state. Bill Folsom's looking into the significance of this choice. Bill?
Yeah, we talked to UCCS Professor Josh Dunn, who teaches constitutional law. There is plenty of attention going to Trump's growing list of executive action. Dunn says it is all important, but the Supreme Court nomination is the bigger deal.
President Trump said it himself. Nominating a Supreme Court justice is among the most important things he'll do as president. Professor Josh Dunn agrees.
When you think about the decisions that presidents make, appointing Supreme Court justices are the most long-lasting things that they do.
We've seen the protests on immigration orders and questions about the future of Obamacare, things immediately impacting people that may or may not be long-term. A Supreme Court justice as young as Gorsuch could be on the bench 30, even 40 years, and the decisions from the nation's highest court rarely change.
It's really the final say in the legislative process now.
Dunn says it's interesting that Trump, who is so freely using the executive power, has nominated a judge with previous rulings showing he is not in favor of unchecked executive authority. But he says the nomination is also fulfilling a key campaign promise to conservatives.
For them, many of them, the sole issue in this election was who's going to replace Scalia. And so there are a lot of people who voted for Trump just because they didn't want Hillary Clinton to nominate Scalia's replacement.
And likewise, to satisfy the liberal base, we're already seeing Democrats take a stand against the nominee, promising a filibuster. Dunn thinks that won't last long because many Democratic senators have elections coming up in states